show you how I do the pink in my hair. It's very simple, easy, and quick, and you can do it right in the shower. I'm using this brand. You can use pretty much any highly pigmented hair brand you want, but this is what I'll be using. Make sure your hair is super clean for this process. I'm using a deep hydration shampoo for this process because I want my hair to stay nice and healthy and hydrated and not get dried out. Little disclaimer, this does make a little bit of a mess. It did stain my mirror a little bit because I touched it when I had this on my hand. So just be careful. It will wash out of your shower. It comes out with hot water, but just know that it will stain temporarily, okay? Using all the water out. I'm going to take the hair dye straight to this part of my hair now. Now that I've cleaned it and kind of squeezed out some of the water. Now I have some on my hand. I'm really patting it in to just the end. And now I'm going to rinse off my hand. Now I'm going to mix it up in my hand. And then I'll go under the water as I rub it through the rest of my head so it will create almost a faded pastel pink up there. Now that I've rinsed it out with cold water.